Hello learners, from the last video we understood the meaning and shape of the quadratic equation. Today we are going to find the solutions of quadratic equations. The value of x which satisfy the equation is called the solution of the equation or root of the equation. For example, x is equal to 3 is the solution of equation x square minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, because when we substitute x is equal to 3 in the equation, that is 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, it implies 9 minus 12 plus 3 is equal to 0. Hence, 0 is equal to 0, which is true. So, x is equal to 3 is the solution or root of the equation. Also, if we substitute x is equal to 1, the equation is again satisfied, because 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies 0 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 1 is another root of the equation. We will discuss two methods to solve quadratic equations: factorization method and quadratic formula. Let us first discuss factorization method. If the quadratic equation a into x square plus b into x plus c is equal to 0 can be factorized into product of the linear factors, then putting each factor equal to the 0 give the solution of roots of the quadratic equation. Let's do it with an example. Solve 6 into x square minus x minus 35 is equal to 0. Here we are given 6x square minus x minus 35 is equal to 0. Comparing with standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 35. Now we need two numbers such that their product is equal to the product of a with c and the sum of same numbers is equal to b, that is minus 1. So, we find minus 15 and 14 are such numbers those satisfy both conditions. So, the given equation can be written as 6x square minus 15x plus 14x minus 35 is equal to 0, or 6x square minus 15x plus 14x minus 35 is equal to 0, or 3 into 2x minus 5 plus 7 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, that is 3x plus 7 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Since we know if a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. It gives either 3x plus 7 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. If 3x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Similarly, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2. So, the roots of the given equation are x is equal to minus 7 by 3 and 5 by 2, which will satisfy the given equation. Now, let's have a few problems based questions of quadratic equations and solve it by using factorization method. Let there are two numbers so that sum of these numbers is 16 and their product is 60. Find the numbers. Let a number be x. As we are given sum of two numbers is 16, so other number is equal to 16 minus x. product of numbers is equal to x into 16 minus x is equal to 60, which is given to us, or 16x minus x square is equal to 60, or minus x square plus 16x minus 60 is equal to 0, or x square minus 16x plus 60 is equal to 0. Now, we will apply factorization method. We get two numbers 10 and 6 so that their product is 60 and sum is 16. So, the equation becomes x square minus 10x minus 6x plus 60 is equal to 0. That implies x into x minus 10 minus 6 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 6 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 10. So, required numbers are 6 and 10. Thank you.